done with the dimensions, you would have different layers. You would have zero, construction line, you have your dim, and then you have the dimensions inside, which we turned off over here. Layer depth points, don't worry about it. AutoCAD seems to create this one automatically. So, but your layer viewport and your dimensions should be off. Okay, so let's go back to layer 0. So again, you can turn on or off layers. You can turn on viewport and you will see the box of the viewport, and you can turn it off and you will see it vanish. Okay, the layer dimensions is the dimensions inside this model space. Okay, so there are dimensions here, but they are turned off. So if I click on, it'll show. Okay, if you go to layout, you will now have two dimensions, one inside the model space and one outside. So make sure that turn off the dimension for the inside the viewport. So click that. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a PDF out of this one. So to create a PDF, you simply click on this print section or button, and then you wanted to select current layout, and the scale is 1:1. So you have to change all of this on the layer or on the settings, but that's what we want, and we want to just click plot PDF, and when you are finished it will say download. So I did download something a while ago, but let's just wait a few more seconds and it should now say your PDF is ready. You are now ready to download. So if you click download, it should download that on your Google Chromebook. You should be able to click it on the right corner, and when you click it, it should open up a tab, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so go ahead and practice that, and I'll show you something else on how to create a PDF with line weights.